Pour some cold water on that, New York. You're steaming hot. Kalshi's got to get in on the Halloween parade. Over under 17 Taylor and Travis costumes this year in the parade. We'd like to know. The people want to know. People are curious. All right, Ben. Well, that's a good one. We're talking about Halloween weekend. This is a steam that it's a tale as old as time. What comes with Halloween weekend? Daylight savings time. And let me tell you something, man. I do not know a single human. I have not met a single human that likes the fall behind. Fall behind is brutal. It's getting dark out there at 5 o'clock. Next week, it's going to be getting dark at 4 o'clock. That is depressing. Americans, New Yorkers, we like to be out. We like to be social. We like to be in the world. You know what does not help with being out in the world is getting dark at 4 p.m. It is the ringing of the death knell of winter. It is my least favorite time of year. There is no good reason. The farmers don't need it anymore. The farmers don't want it anymore. Some states don't even do daylight savings time. If you go to, I think it's Arizona or Nevada, you don't even know if you're in the right time zone. Things are changing. We got to make this real simple. Congress, you want to get that approval rating up? Open the government and then nix daylight savings time. In fact, you could put it in the grand bargain. Whatever the bargain is, who are we going to fund? I don't know. You'll get it done. But more importantly, we're not changing the clocks. We're done with that. No more daylight savings time. That's what I got.
Great take. Great week. Thanks for tuning in, everybody.
Happy Halloween. Happy election week. We'll see you next week with a new mayor.